I'm going to walk you around this fantastic Subaru Outback H630. Has a has a spoiler. It's all-wheel drive, which isn't that shocking coming from Subaru. The body's in perfect condition. As far as we know, it's never been wrecked. Belonged to my uncle, and he drove it in Salt Lake City area. He was in sales, and he put a bunch of miles on it. It has 319,000 miles on it. As far as the interior, there's a hole in that seat right there. Looks like somebody's kind of poked something there. I don't know, and I noticed earlier today on one of the doors, there's a little thing where it's kind of lift up. I'll see if I can see it. But here it is right here. This is kind of flaked up right there. Probably a little bit of glue on that. It's got beautiful wood trim. One of my kids sat in here with something in their back pocket. I can't remember what it was, like some scissors or a screwdriver or something, and punched a hole in that seat. Everything works. It's got heated seats. The air conditioner works. The stereo's fantastic. Glove box, good shape. The problem is it's got a turn engine light on, and it's started making some clicking noises, and we just had a gasket replaced on the engine, and when we took it in to get the gasket replaced, the mechanic said that it was making noise. So we don't drive this car anymore, and we're just going to get rid of it. Everything's power on here. The seat over there on the driver's seat is power. This seat is actually manual, that passenger seat. We're going to look under the hood here in a second. I think it has a little bit of a pearl coat on it, but you can see it's got these, the seat moves in a bunch of different ways. The lumbar support on here is over on the side of the seat. What else? Let's pop the hood. And that's what it is. Let me turn it on, and you can hear the clicking noise. Let's see if I have a key. Yep. There's the check engine lights on. What's funny is that actually sounds really good right now. So it's one of those things where who knows? I mean, you may be able to drive it another 100,000 miles. It's got a, I don't know how old that battery is. 319. Let's see. I can hear it clicking now. It's a 42-month battery. Bought it about 18 months ago. That's kind of that clicking noise in the engine.